Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial today, so if you like what you see, just keep on watching and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. So first I'm coming in with my NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer and I'm just priming my eyes and getting ready for my eyeshadow that I'm going to put in so it stays on all night. I'm going in with my Naked UrbanDecay Smokey eye palette with the color 13. I'm just putting white on my eyeshadow or on my eyelids just to give it so my eyelids do not crease with the primer that I just put on. And I'm just putting that all over my eyelids, making sure that it's even and everything, blending it out right before I can put in my transition color. So I'm taking my Modern Renaissance Anastasia and I'm going to be using burnt orange. And I'm just going to be putting that in my upper crease and just blending that out, because this is going to be my transition color. So I'm going to make sure everything is blended out perfectly and there's no harsh lines. So when I put in my darker color next, it will look good. So this is my Real Gar, sorry, cannot pronounce the name. That's Real Gar color. It's a little bit darker than the orange I just put on. I'm also going to be putting that in a little bit lower in my crease, and I'm also putting in the outside corners just to darken that up a little bit. And I'm also going to be blending that out. And I'm using the Anastasia brush that they have, and I also have a brush, I don't know what it's called, I got a pack. So next you will see I'm taking that Love Letter color. It's a little bit of a purple color. I'm just kind of putting that on the outside of the crease a little bit, just kind of the outer corners, just to get it a little, I like the purple undertones a lot. It looks nice and everything, so I'm just kind of blending that out again with a bigger brush, making sure there's no harsh lines. And as you could see my black market from Naked. I'm putting that on the outer corner and just blending that out just to get a little darker on the outside. And then I'm going in with Vermeer from Modern Renaissance and putting that on my lid. I kind of sprayed it. You didn't see it in the video, but I did spray it. And you could see I'm not good at eyeliner, so now I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm priming my face, and then I'm going to take my Quick Fix UrbanDecay setting spray and setting my face, and then I'm going to be taking my Lancome Foundation, putting it in my hand and just putting it all over my face and blending it out with a brush. I'm going to be taking a beauty blender just to spread it out, and make sure your beauty blender is wet or else it will not work as well as it does. Just making sure it's spreading evenly all throughout my face. And then after that, I will be taking my Instant Age Rewind Maybeline Concealer under my eyes. I just love this concealer. It's so cheap, and I put it on my nose, I put it on my T-zone. It's just, I love it. It's very cheap, and it's a great product. So then I blend it out with my beauty blender again. And then I'm just going to be taking Sephora baking powder or setting powder in white and just baking under my face a little bit, under my eyes, just so it doesn't crease. I do this all the time. I love it, but yes, so, and then I'm going to do it right before I contour. I do it right underneath, making sure that after you see the contour, it doesn't look too sharp or too braided or anything, so make sure you are spreading it evenly throughout your face and you don't leave it on for too long. Next I'm going to be taking my Tartiest contour and highlight palette, and with the cream color I'm going to be going in with a brush and just kind of lining it on my face, and then I'm just going to be blending it out a little bit with that brush as well. I did put a lot on accident. I'm putting it on my forehead, making sure you want to put contour on your forehead and on your cheekbones, and then I'm going to be blending out with a beauty blender. I just love this palette so much. The contour shades that they gave from Tart just really are outstanding. I would recommend this palette for anyone. And then after that, I'm going to be wiping away that excess with a bigger brush. And then once I wipe all that, I'm going to be taking an eyebrow pencil, just filling in my eyebrows. I don't have the best eyebrows, and my eyebrow game is not that strong. So I just kind of fill in them and make sure they don't look too bad because I do not know how to do my eyebrows to save my life. So then after that, I'm going to be setting my face with the Quick Fix by UrbanDecay. And when I set it, then I'm going to put some highlighter and I mix those two from the Tartiest Tart. And I love how this highlight just pops. It matches my skin tone perfectly. And I don't like to do too much highlighter because I feel like sometimes it takes away from your natural look. So I just kind of put it on evenly and I put it on both sides. Oh, perfect. Oh my god, I love it. So that's the highlighter that I use. And I also take that same color and then I just put it right above my eyebrow and right underneath on that brow bone just to give a little pop. And I also put it on the bridge of my nose and on the point of it just a little bit, not too much because you don't want to look too greasy or too oily. And then I put it right underneath that lip. And then after that, I'm all done. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy.